Hey guys, this video is going to be on the DNA strand. It's going to be doing the facing and the vertical milling operations. So getting into it, after I open up the model, I use model prep tab and then push and pull feature to extend the part. I also merge the fixturing that I'll be using, and then I create a circle to extrude a solid to create my stock model. After that, I'm going to go into model prep and modify feature to fill the slots. Now after all the slots are filled, I'm going to dynamically move everything to the gnomon, and then I'll be dynamically making a new plane for my work coordinate system. Once finished with my plane, I will move to my tool paths, and I already have my machine selected, a Haas UMC 750. I'll go through and start a new toolpath group, then make my stock model. Remember to always to continue to save your work as you're working on this project. The first cutting operation I will do will be facing the stock. I originally made my wireframe circle 50 thou above the DNA strand model, so when I extruded, I had 50 thou stock to remove, and that's what I'll take care of now. For roughing off the material vertically, I'm going to choose a 3D high-speed dynamic OptiRough tool path. I will adjust my wall and floor stock, then select my tool and adjust my speeds and feeds. I also recommend modifying your cutter information to mimic the 1/2-inch cutter that we have in the lab. I also recommend changing your tool length, which you can do after you adjust your steep/shallow adjustments. After adjusting my tool, I will then turn on rest material using my stock model. Next, I will go through my cut parameters, steep and shallow, and the arc filtering tolerances. When finished with modifying my cutting conditions, I will verify my plane is correct and then hit the green check. Turning on my tool paths, I can visually see that the cutting path looks alright for this operation. The next thing I'll do is turn on simulation to check my step downs and to check on my tool machining time to see if it's a reasonable amount of time for this operation. After watching simulation, I realized that my feed rate seemed a bit too fast, so I'll go back and make an adjustment. After the adjustment, I'll check it in simulation again to make sure that everything looks as it should. Last thing I'm going to do is go back into my facing operation and change my chain geometry. I realized that I changed the top of the DNA strand, so the 2-inch diameter stock is not cleaning all the way up. So I'll go back and I'll rechain the top of my model, and that should clean everything up. I'll end the video with closing up these tool paths and then prepping for the rotation and the B and C axis.